Good morning, pupils.
Good morning, Mrs. Fade.
How are you today?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you. Welcome to our class. Welcome to our phonics class with Mrs. Fade, your seasoned educator. Okay, we have two sounds to check today. We have the sh, and the ch sound. We have the sh and the sh. Yes. We are going to look at those sounds and the words we can find, we can actually use with them. Letter S and letter H sounds sh. Letter S and H. The two sounds, remember that letter S sounds and H sounds, but now when the two letters appear together, they are going to form a sound which is sh. Which is what? Sh. Good. Sh. So we are going to look at some words here. We are shy. Hello. Shy.
Shy.
She.
She.
Shop.
Short.
Shot.
Short.
Shell.
Shell.
Wash.
Wash.
Mash.
Mash.
Push.
Push.
Crush.
Crush.
Trash.
Trash.
Let's go again. Shy.
Shy.
She.
She.
Shop.
Short.
Shot.
Short.
Shell.
Shell.
Wash.
Wash.
Mash.
Mash.
Push.
Push.
Crush.
Crush.
Trash.
Trash.
Alright. We have some pictures up here. We have fish. Fish. We have shots. We have starfish. Shark. Shirt. Brush. Sheep. Ship. Shapes. And shell. And what? Shell. So these are some of the words we can get from the sh words. Okay? That we can get from the sh sounds, excuse me. Sh. Everybody, let's go again. Sh. And we're going to make the action. You put your finger right on your lips and make the sound. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, very good. Let's roll for ourselves once again. Roll. We are superstars. We are great. Okay, we're going to move to the next sound. The ch. Everybody say ch. Now, if you listen to the way it sounds like the moving locomotive train. The locomotive train actually made that sound. I know now you know the difference between sh and ch. So let's go. Let's make the sound the locomotive train makes. Very good. So we are going to check some words out. We have sheep. So we have the ch. Ever say ch? Letter I, remember letter I sound and letter P sounds. So we have chip. Ever say chip? This is the short E sound. Chip. Chip. We have ch. E. And what do you think the word will make? Chin. Ever say chin? Chin. So let's go. Let's go again. And what's the word? Chop. Beautiful. So let's go. Again, louder, please. And what would be the word? Chart. Everyone say chart. 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 This is a short R sound, alright? So let's go. We have air. And this is, remember the last class we talked about consonant clusters. We said when consonant clusters are when we have two or more consonant letters appearing in a word. If they are together and they appear in a word. Now, remember the last one we did when we talked about U. We saw them at the beginning, and we said they are called beginning blends. When the consonant clusters appears at the beginning of the word, they are called beginning blends. But if it occurs at the end of the word, we call it the ending blend. We call it what? Now, that is actually displaying here. We have the S and T. The S and T are together in this word. They are called consonant clusters. And because they appear at the end of the word, they are called ending blends. So, we're going to say ch, e, and st. Everything, st. We are going to call the S and T together. We pronounce it together. Not S and T. We call it st. Everything, st. 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 Very good. So we have ch, e, st. And what word would that form? Chest. What would it form? Chest. Again, chest. Then we have chill. Chill. Just the same way. Ch. This word in blue, I-L-L, is ill. It's pronounced ill. E and L, ill. And we have ch. So we said chill. Again, chill. Then here also, we have the E and N. That is the E and N sound what? Very good. And the C and H also sound what? What's the sound of letter C and letter H? Excuse me. So we have inch. We have what? Inch. Inch. Very good. Here it's also, you can see that the word here is longer, but it still follows the same pattern. It follows the same pattern. We have L-O-N is lon. L-O-N, we pronounce that word? Lon. And we have ch at the end. So what will be the word? Lunch. Beautiful, lunch. Everybody say that? Lunch. 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 Then we have the same here. Let's sound the words. Again. E-N sound what? Pin. And we have ch at the end. So what will be the word? Pinch. Very good. Pinch. Again. Pinch. Okay, the last word here we have R-E. R-E is what? Re. And we have ch. This is what? Reach. Again. Reach. So let's go over the words all over again. Let's go over the words. Chin. Chin. Top. Chat. Test. Chill. Inch. Lunch. Pinch. And reach. Let's go over it one more time. Chip. Chin. Top. Chat. Chest. Chill. Inch. Lunch. Pinch. Reach. Very good, very good. And that comes to the end of the class. But remember, the sound, the action for sh, it's like this. We make the sound sh. This is the action we make for the word sh, for the sound sh. And for the sound sh, what's the sound again? Like the locomotive train. Let's go. Very good, everyone. Thank you for watching. And this will come to the end of the class. Thank you so much. We'll come again. Bye.